Flash flood statement, huh? For Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has extended the flash flood warning for northern Greene County, southern Tuscaloosa County, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash
He has
flooding.
a considerable tag.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Listen.
Source, emergency management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tuscaloosa, Northport, Hull, Brookwood, Hooker, Union, Tuscaloosa Regional Airport, Tuscaloosa Amphitheater, Shelton State Community College, Bryant-Denny Stadium, McFarland Mall, University Mall, Gina, Knoxville, Deer Lick Creek Campgrounds, Mantua, Bankhead Lock and Dam, Foster's Boat Landing, Palmore Park and Foster's. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.